All right. So we have learned about the checkboxes previously. Now we will learn about a different type of a input, which is a range input. So if I go to the browser currently right now, so we have this. So many of the times you have some sort of range to select something, like the percentage of something or something like that. So we can use the range input for that. I will not. Okay, let's go here after this br element, and then what I can do, I can do input. Okay, and here what I can do, I can do range. Okay, and if I hit save, go back, so we have our range input here. And again, this input element works the same. We can add the label, so on and so forth. I am not going into that currently right now, but what it takes two different attributes. One is the min. So what should be the minimum value of the range? So I can do something like 0. And one is the max. What should be the maximum value of the input, which I can do 100, something like this. And also, okay, before showing you the steps, what I can do, I can go to here, and as you can see, there is nothing to be changed here. There is nothing changed, but depending on the slider position, when we will say like submit the form, that particular value will be added to that. So I can go here and I can do give a name, which is like the range input, something like this, because I am not able to like imagine a good example currently right now. But again, that is not the point. But if I just go here, do something like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6, age is 20, I agree. And if I just select something like this and click, so now if I will just go okay, and I'll go to the code and just delete these two from previously and just add it here. So as you can see, the range input is set to 90 because I have set it to something like that. So there is no indication like what is being set up currently right now inside of the range input. We can do that as well by using CSS, and there are some techniques there. But anyways, so this is the range input, and the value of the range input always will be between the minimum and the maximum value. Again, what we can do something like step, and I can set it to 5, or let's set it to 10, something like that. So if you want to just get like the multiples of 10 as the value, you can use this step attribute. And if we go to currently now the browser and go back, hit refresh, and now as you can see, this input is not smooth anymore. This is getting like stuck at the particular place, which is the multiple of 10 currently right now. So this is the range input in HTML.